Alright, I'm going to do a video on changing the wick. Not changing it, but pulling it out. This, I'm putting in here. And my things are both loose, not just the flint, but the other piece that holds it in place. Go ahead and put both of those in here. Okay. Alright. I'm going to use this to take this out. You don't really want to get too aggressive with it. You don't want to tear it. Alright. The cotton, I'm going to take out with tweezers. Okay. It's probably several different pieces, yep. I'm going to take this piece out too. No, never mind. It's kind of stuck in there. Alright. Alright, so there's the twig. If you're completely replacing it, then you would stick it up in that hole. But that's not really what we're doing. I just completely pull it out actually, so I can show you how to do that. Actually, because it's already burnt up, might be a little harder. But I don't know how well you can see on here, but you know, stick the wick through the hole. I'm gonna push it through a little bit. You won't be able to push it through too much. You'll need the tweezers to pull the rest. Now, if you're not replacing it, you're just cutting a little off, what you do is you would pull it up. Not quite that far. Wow, that was aggressive. Probably that there, whatever is really black and not usable. You get a knife or scissors and cut that off. I'm not cutting mine off because mine is still working perfectly fine. Pull that back down in here. There we go. And then start putting all this stuff back in. Ah, I just lost some of it. Oh well. Piece. Oh, actually, mine needs fuel. But I'm not doing that at the moment. Flint in first. Wow, maybe. Okay, there we go. Normally you don't have to put that other piece in as well, but mine broke off of the spring. Someone's probably going to comment, no, they'll fix that for you for free. They have a great warranty. I'm not going to have them do that. I abuse the heck out of the slider. If that happens on one of my other things, and I forgot to put this on. Sorry. I'm tired. If that happens to one of my other Zippos, then yeah, I will definitely... Oh, I think this fell. Oh well. Put that in there so I don't lose the flint. Shoot, I think I lost it. Nice. Well, you at least get the point with the wick. I don't really need to show you how to do the other stuff. That's not in right, by the way. I just set that there because I didn't want to lose the flint that I have in there. And there's no fuel in it. I need to put fuel in it too. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Oh, that's gross. Wow. And I found my spring. It's like way down there. Oh well. Anyway, hope you learned something. Hope you, you know, instead of throwing away a Zippo or something, you figure out how to save that wick, make it last longer. And you can buy them and do what I talked about earlier too, where you just take that little bit completely out and then put the new one in. I showed you how to do that too. Anyway, peace.